Stop wasting time searching for fixes. Here is how to solve Netflix loading failures in 3 simple steps. Welcome to Sleek Guides. Today we're tackling the frustrating loading failed issue that stops your binge watch in its tracks. While many call this error 83, that is actually a Disney Plus code, on Netflix it is usually a failure in the DRM check or corrupted session data. Step 1. The cold boot. This is the most effective fix for Smart TVs, Roku, and Fire TV sticks. Unplug your TV from the wall outlet. Now hold the physical power button on the TV itself for 30 seconds to drain residual power. Wait another 30 seconds before plugging it back in. This forces the Netflix app to rebuild its session and restart the security handshake. Step 2. Refreshing the session. If you are streaming on a laptop or desktop, cookies are often the culprit. Navigate directly to netflix.com/clearcookies. This will immediately sign you out and clear the specific data causing that loading hang. Once you sign back in, the DRM verification should refresh and your show will load without any issues. Step 3. DNS and network. Sometimes your router simply cannot resolve the address for Netflix's boot servers. Unplug your router for 30 seconds. For a permanent fix, consider switching your device's DNS to a public provider like Google or Cloudflare. And a quick tip, disable your VPN. Netflix's aggressive anti-proxy measures often block connections right at the loading stage. Still stuck on a smart TV? Use the Netflix hidden menu. Up, up, down, down, left, right, and then 4 more ups. This opens a diagnostic screen where you can select Reset to completely refresh the app's internal configuration. That is it. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe to Sleek Guides for more high-value tech tutorials. I will see you in the next one.